gentlemen, hold on to your wallets until after this video. Then you can continue to buy overpriced crap. But today, in an attempt to help you not waste money, I'm going to do what I call the rip-off report, where I'm going to go over 6 popular brands that, in my opinion, are overpriced. The Alpha M rip-off report. It's got a nice ring. What do you think? Should we make this a new series? Guys, if you like the idea of this being a regular series, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. The concept, which I'll pitch to you right now, each episode I go over brands that I personally think are totally overpriced, but then I'll also give you less expensive alternatives. If you dig it, one of these. I sort of did one of these a while ago where I went over 6 brands that in my opinion were a total ripoff. If you missed that video, I will link to it down below. But if you missed it, here are the cliff notes. Polo, Zegna, Patek Philippe, Hermes, Armani Exchange, and John Varvatos. Sometimes you get what you pay for. This time, you don't. Starting with number 1. Common Projects. Those of you who have never heard of Common Project, they pioneered the white minimalist sneaker called the Achilles. Super clean, sexy design, and incredibly priced at $411. What the is it made out of? Unicorn? So the great news about Common Projects being so expensive and so popular is that a lot of other options and brands have come out with their edition. And in my opinion, they're much more sane in terms of the price. If you're looking for a low-end brand, you can't beat the New Republic. It looks identical, in my opinion, to Common Projects. But if you want to take it to the next level, you could always go Suit Supply. Price, $179. Number 2 is probably going to surprise you, and that is Kenneth Cole. Kenneth Cole is selling their suits for $600 to $650. $650 for that cheap ass suit? You've got to be insane, Kenneth. $150 for a super cheap suit is insane, especially when you consider that you can go into Indochino and get a fully custom suit for like $399. Speaking of insane, number 3 is Shinola Watches. Unless you have been living under a horological rock, you've heard of Shinola. They're a company based out of Detroit. They started making all sorts of watches, and then they're like, yo, let's start opening stores. This is an amazing idea. So they start opening stores. One of the problems when you go into brick and mortar is that now you've got super high like overhead and expenses. You're not going like direct to consumer. Price, bang, through the roof. So they're charging like $900 for non-automatic watches, which means they're battery operated, they're quartz movement, which is great, but $900, $800, $700 for quartz movement watches, in my opinion, is crazy. $800, $900. Here's one of their more affordable options at $600. And here is your affordable, super high quality alternative. Vincero, today's video sponsor, and the sexiest freaking watches under $200 that you're gonna find, gentlemen. Here's the deal. The watches have blown me away. The new designs, super freaking sick and sexy. Look at this matte black mesh strap. This is from the collection Keros. I think I'm pronouncing it right. Collection. It is so incredibly badass. It also comes in gold, which this watch reminds me a lot of the Rolex like Presidential, which is one of my all-time like grail like amazing watches. And the other cool thing is that they recently came out with a matte gold. They came out with like a matte gray. And the beautiful thing about Vinceros, the bands are all interchangeable. The bands have this little like quick release option, right? So you can just change it out. Ready? Boom. Check it out. What? Exactly. So freaking sick. It's so sexy. Guys, if you haven't been to Vincero, there's no better time than right now. There is a discount code along with that link. That link is custom to us. I went through and actually selected a bunch of Vincero watches that I think are absolutely incredible. And if you guys haven't checked out the Keros collection with the mesh strap, guys, they are ridiculous. And they're super high quality. The beautiful thing about Vincero is that they can charge like a little bit for a lot. And the reason is because they don't have brick and mortar stores. They're like, yo, let's invest in the quality, the craftsmanship, offer guys an incredibly high quality, beautiful, rugged, sexy watch for an incredible price. Guys, they have crushed it and they continue to crush it. I've been rocking Vinceros now for a few years. Every watch that comes out is like a little better than the next one. Guys, hit that link down below and go check out Vincero. Quality, ridiculous, the craftsmanship, incredible, but most importantly, they are sexy as f. Number 4 is the store Top Man. For those of you who have never heard of Top Man, think of H&M when it comes to their style of clothing, right? Super modern, super trendy, and they fit well. The beautiful thing about Top Man and thing that I love about it, you can find super small sizes. The stuff that you're gonna see in there is what's in style now, but that's also a downside because the things that they sell are not gonna be around or popular for a long time. Very similar to H&M, which brings us to quality. The quality of Top Man clothes are also very similar to H&M. It's crappy quality. Here's where Top Man craps the bed, the price. The prices are not H&M prices. If the quality was crappy and the price was low like H&M, I'd be like, yo, cool, go there, find stuff that's trendy, that's stylish, that you're gonna throw out next year. Unfortunately, Top Man is like 2 to 3 times more expensive than H&M. Number 5 is Ferragamo. The shoe is $660. They're good shoes. They're not great. They're built well, but for $660, I think it's ridiculous. A better option, in my opinion, would be Johnson & Murphy. $169. Johnson Murphy, in terms of value play, in my opinion, is a great option because the prices are going to be sub $200, but the quality is there, the comfort is there, the craftsmanship, solid. And last, but certainly not least, number 6 is Gucci sunglasses. What do you think? Yeah, they're sweet, right? They're cool, red, green. They got the little B. Yeah, they're badass. But $400? Gentlemen, absolutely not. When it comes to sunglasses, there are a few different price points. Under $100, the sunglasses are cheap. They're not great in terms of quality. There's a big price jump from $100 to $200. And then from $200, there's one more price jump up to $300. But after that, you're just paying for the brand name. How do I know this? Let's just say I've been doing a little bit of research. And by a little, I mean a lot of research. You should have Zeiss lenses. You should have higher quality material, better acetate. These should sell literally for $100, $150, but they're selling for $400. They do have that little bumblebee. Is that bumblebee worth 200 bones? Gentlemen, that's up to you. It's about a decision that you have to make, how you're gonna spend your money. The other decision I need you to make is, did you dig this video? Do you want more? The Alpha M ripoff report? If you do, give this video one of these because I love you and think you're incredible. I also don't want you getting ripped off.